My name is Nick. Welcome to Nature's Air Show. Very nice. I'd like you to meet Coyote, our Harris hawk. Now, they've got excellent vision 8 to 10 times better than humans. Coyote rarely misses. And like most hawks, they've got a sharp, curved beak and strong talons for catching prey. Now we're going to move on to a full-time scavenger. This is the turkey vulture. The turkey vulture is one of nature's recyclers, and it eats carrion, or things that are already dead, and it helps keep the environment clean. This is Jemison. The gerfalcon is the largest falcon in the world. Though in medieval times, the gerfalcon was only reserved for use by emperors and kings.
Actually bred for
no, I
education.
have. It's not like every time.
So he's been around people for quite some time.
I do want to point out, like I was trying to do with the show,